Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Rudie Rosa and today I'm here with a bag unboxing. So if this is your type of video, keep on watching and let's get in. So I've added another bag into my collection. I just wanted something new, something small and something different. I've never shopped from this brand before. We don't have a Bershka where I live. I can only purchase online, or I would have to go to another city to go in store and actually have a look. So I was browsing online and I came across something that I wanted. So it came today. This is how it comes in a box. Open it up. So this is the mini bowling bag from Bershka, of course. I got mine in a green. It's like a khaki green, not too dark, not too light, just the right shade for me. This comes in, I believe, green, black, cream or white and pink, I've seen anyway. Just needed a cute, fashionable mini bag where I could fit all the essentials I need, and I don't own a green bag. The thing about the green just drew me to purchasing it. So it has top handles, but mine in a gold hardware. I believe all of them come in gold hardware if I'm not mistaken. We also have an crossbody strap. I didn't really buy mine to wear a crossbody, but looking at it now, I do feel like I'll be wearing it both ways, especially if I just want to be in the city centre and shopping, or just going out for a meal and I want my hands free. You also have that alternative as well. So on one side it just gives plain vibes, the other side it does come with a little zipper. You can actually open it and put whatever you feel like in there. Of course, tag says Bershka. It says one size and this is a medium. I have also seen a bigger size of this bag in a purple, so I'm assuming that is a large and I've got my eye on that. I wanted to buy the Coach Rowan and it does give me that vibe because the Coach Rowan is also like a bowler bag shape, but obviously that is name brand and real leather. This is faux leather, but if you do store your bags well, especially most of the high street bags I have, like Zara, I've had them for years and years, but it's all about how you store your bags. It all depends on how you look after your bags, how much you put in your bags. But let's open it up. And you've got like these cute little tassels on the side. So this is the amount of space this bag has. No inner pockets. It just says Bershka here. But as always, I would just have my car keys, lip gloss, sanitizer, hand wipes or tissue, miniature perfume, maybe my wireless charging case, and that's about it. My camera from time to time, but it all depends on what I'm doing on that day and how much I need. But I do feel like this will carry all my essentials I need. So cute. I think I'm actually gonna pick this up in a black or the white for summer. So yeah, cute little bag, fashionable bag. I paid £25 for this one. I feel like for the size, for the quality, and for the style it's actually a decent price. Cute little pickup. Let me know if you guys have this bag, if you like this bag, or if you have your eye on this bag. I can't wait to wear it, can't wait to style it. This is actually me wearing it as a crossbody, and I actually like this vibe. Cute, especially if you just do errands, shopping in the town, city centre, and you don't really want much in your hand. Just pop your stuff in and go. I like this, I really do. Wear it two ways, so you can wear this way with the zip, or this way with just plain detailing. I like this way better, but obviously it all depends on which way you grab your bag. So cute. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.